Many people instinctively reply with "I'm fine" even when they are overwhelmed by emotions or struggles. This phrase has become a social reflex, a way to maintain politeness and avoid uncomfortable conversations. Yet, beneath that simple response often lies a complex web of unspoken pain, fear of judgment, or a desire to protect others from worrying. Recognizing this disconnect between words and feelings can open up meaningful paths for empathy and genuine connection. This tendency to mask true emotions matters because it can prevent people from receiving the support they need. When someone constantly dismisses their inner turmoil with "I'm fine," issues like depression, anxiety, or burnout can fester without recognition. For those on the receiving end, it can be easy to misinterpret these messages as signs of strength or contentment, simply because social norms discourage revealing vulnerability openly. Understanding how pervasive this habit is can give us more compassion and patience. Imagine Sarah, a coworker who always says she's fine despite visibly struggling with her workload and personal issues. Her friends and colleagues might overlook her pain, assuming she's handling everything well. On the flip side, the positive side of this phrase is that it sometimes helps people maintain social harmony, deflecting awkward moments and keeping interactions smooth. The challenge lies in discerning when "I'm fine" is a genuine answer and when it's a shield. Emotional expression isn't always authentic. Micro-expressions, subtle facial cues, and tone can betray true feelings. The art of recognizing genuine emotion versus fake can be a powerful skill. It's worth noting, however, that many people have learned to suppress these cues, especially when social pressures emphasize politeness over honesty. This suppression can lead to a cycle of emotional disconnection, where no one really understands what's truly going on beneath the surface. For individuals, disclosing true feelings can feel risky, vulnerable, even dangerous. They might fear rejection, pity, or burdening others with their problems. For others, it's often easier to accept "I'm fine" at face value, missing the silent cry for help. This dynamic creates a quiet but powerful barrier to authentic support and understanding. And yet, when approached with patience and empathy, genuine conversations, those where feelings are acknowledged, can transform relationships. The larger societal impact of this habit is significant. It shapes cultural norms, influences mental health perceptions, and affects how support systems function. Encouraging honesty about emotional states, without judgment, can help break the cycle of masking. Learning to read beyond words, paying attention to micro-expressions, tone, and body language can lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. Closing the loop, it's a reminder that "I'm fine" is often just the surface of a much deeper story. We each have the power to ask more thoughtful questions, listen with open hearts, and create safe spaces for real honesty. Because in those moments of genuine vulnerability, we can foster not only better understanding but also ignite hope that no one has to face their battles alone.